Next, crochet the lion's headgear. Take out the orange yarn and hold it on your hand. The fabric is crocheted using a magic ring. First, create a magic ring. The first round starts with 1 chain stitch. Then work 6 single crochet. 1 chain stitch. 6 single crochet. The first one. Place the stitch marker. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. 6 single crochet are done. Pull the yarn end. Tighten the magic ring. No slip stitch is needed here. The lion's headgear is worked in spiral crochet. For second round, we will pick up the back loops of the stitches to make 6 increase stitches. Let's take a look at where the back loops are. There is a V shape on each stitch. The loop closer to us is the front loop. The loop farther from us is the back loop. Remove the stitch marker. Place it on the loop closer to us. The remaining loop of the stitch is the insertion point. Crochet an increase stitch as usual. This is the first stitch of the second round. Attach the stitch marker here. Take out the stitch marker. Attach the stitch marker to the first stitch of the second round. Crochet 1 more single crochet into the same back loop. This increase stitch is now completed. For the second one, crochet into the back loop of the next stitch. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. Six increase stitches are completed. Now let's learn how to crochet using the back loops only. In diagrams, BLO is the abbreviation for back loops only. Before distinguishing the back loop, we need to ensure that the front side of the work is facing outward. Now, let's first distinguish the front side from the back side of the fabric. The side facing us is the front side of the work. The front side consists of many vertical V shapes. The back side of the fabric is composed of many horizontal lines. Before identifying the back loop, first ensure that the front side of the fabric is facing outward. Usually we insert the crochet hook under the top horizontal V-shape to crochet. This V-shape is actually the top loop of the stitch. The top loop consists of the front loop and the back loop. The front loop is the side of the V-shape closest to us. The back loop is the side of the V-shape farthest from us. Next, we need to work into the back loop only. We need to work on the side farthest from us. Suppose we need to make a single crochet in the back loop only. Insert the crochet hook into the middle of the V-shape, passing through the loop farthest from us. There are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Make a single crochet. Wrap the yarn around the back of the crochet hook. Pull the yarn through the first loop on the crochet hook. 2 loops are formed on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on the hook. A single crochet through back loop is done. Place a stitch marker on the first stitch. We can see that there is a position in the front with a line. This line is the front loop that we did not work. Through the front loop, we can easily find the next stitch position. Now we are working single crochet in the back loops only of this round. After completing a round of single crochet in the back loops only, you will see a ridge on the front. These are the unworked front loops. The second round is completed. The third round is crocheted by working into the back loops. 1 single crochet and 1 increase stitch make up 1 sequence. Repeat this sequence 6 times. Remove the stitch marker. Crochet 1 single crochet into the back loop of the first stitch. Place the stitch marker. Then crochet 1 increase stitch into the back loop of the next stitch. This is how it looks after crocheting 1 single crochet and 1 increase stitch as 1 sequence. Use the same method to complete the remaining 5 sequences. The second sequence, work a single crochet first. 1 increase stitch. The third sequence starts with 1 single crochet. 1 increased stitch. The fourth sequence starts with 1 single crochet. 1 increased stitch. The fifth sequence, work 1 single crochet first. 1 increased stitch. The sixth sequence, work 1 single crochet first. 1 increased stitch. Six sequences are completed. The third round is now completed. For the fourth round, also crochet through the back loops of the stitches. 1 increased stitch followed by the single crochet make up 1 sequence. Repeat this sequence 6 times. Remove the stitch marker from the first stitch. Crochet 1 increased stitch. Start with 1 single crochet. Place the stitch marker. Then crochet 1 more single crochet through the same back loop. Next, crochet the single crochet. The first one. The second one. Here, 1 increased stitch into single crochet from 1 sequence. Complete the remaining 5 sequences in the same way. The second sequence begins with 1 increased stitch. Crochet the single crochet. The first one. The second one. The third sequence also starts with 1 increased stitch. Then crochet to single crochet. The fourth sequence begins with 1 increased stitch. Then crochet to single crochet. The first one. The second one. The fifth sequence begins with 1 increased stitch. To single crochet. The first one. The second one. 1 increased stitch for the sixth sequence. Then crochet to single crochet. Six sequences are completed. Round 4 is completed. Rounds 5 and 6 are the same. We will crochet through the back loops of the stitches to work 24 single crochet for each round. Let me demonstrate how to crochet the fifth round. Remove the stitch marker. Crochet 24 single crochet. The first single crochet. Place the stitch marker. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. Everyone, keep working single crochet into the back loops like this. Continue until this round is completed. 24 single crochet are finished. Round 5 is completed. In round 6, also work 24 single crochet through back loops. The first one. Place the stitch marker. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. Keep crocheting single crochet like this until the remaining part is finished. Round 6 is completed. In round 7, work through the back loops to crochet 21 single crochet. Finally, leave 3 stitches unworked here. The first one. Place the stitch marker. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. The seventh one. The eighth one. The ninth. The 10th. The 11th. The 12th. The 13th stitch. The 14th stitch. The 15th stitch. The 16th stitch. The 17th stitch. The 18th stitch. The 19th stitch. The 20th stitch. The 21st stitch. 21 single crochet are done. Leave the last 3 stitches unworked here. Round 7 is now completed. Place a stitch marker on the 21st single crochet. Next, crochet round 8. Round 8 starts with 1 chain stitch. Then, flip the fabric. Pick up the yarn strands closest to the back side of the fabric to crochet. This is the back side with small horizontal segments. Also, the side with the yarn tail from the magic ring. Here, pick up the yarn strands closest to the back side of the fabric to crochet single crochet. Crochet 21 single crochet stitches. The spot where the stitch marker is attached is where we first insert the hook. Insert hook through the loop close to the back side to work the first single crochet. Place the stitch marker. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. There will be one strand of the stitches left over. The seventh one. The eighth one. The ninth. Keep crocheting single crochet stitches like this until you finish this round. Crochet up to the last stitch where the stitch marker is attached. Remove the stitch marker. Then pick loop closest to the inside of the fabric. Crochet one single crochet stitch. Round 8 is completed. First, attach the stitch marker to the last stitch of this round. The 9th round starts with a chain stitch. Then, flip the fabric. Pick the strand closest to the back side of the fabric and crochet one increased stitch. Remove the stitch marker. Insert your hook into the loop close to the inside of the fabric and crochet an increased stitch. Place the stitch marker. Then crochet one more single crochet into the same stitch. An increased stitch is done. Then crochet 19 single crochet in sequence. The first one. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. Continue crocheting single crochet like this until you finish the remaining 14 single crochet. 19 single crochet are done. Remove the stitch marker on the last stitch. Insert your hook into the loop close to the back side of the fabric and crochet an increased stitch. Round 9 is completed. Attach a stitch marker to the last stitch. Round 10 starts with one chain stitch. Then flip the fabric. We will work through the loops near the back side of the fabric to crochet 23 single crochet. Make one chain stitch first. Then flip the fabric. Pick up the loops closest to the back side to crochet single crochet. Crochet 23 stitches in total. The first one. You don't need to attach a stitch marker on the last round here. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. Everyone, continue to pick up the loops closest to the back side of the fabric to crochet single crochet. Crochet until you reach the stitch marker. When you want 12, then remove the stitch marker. Finish the last single crochet. "23 single crochet are done. Next, work for chain stitches. First, second, third, fourth. Then break the yarn. Yarn over and pull through. Tighten this yarn tail and even it up a bit. The main body of the headgear is now completed. Next, crochet the mane onto the headgear. Take out the orange yarn and place it on your hand. Begin crocheting from where the stitch marker is attached. Remove the stitch marker. Insert the crochet hook through the loop at the stitch marker. Yarn over and pull through. Make 6 chain stitches and a slip stitch as one group. Repeat this group until complete. For the first one, start with 6 chain stitches. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Then insert the hook into the remaining loop of the next stitch. Crochet 1 slip stitch. Place the yarn tail above the crochet hook. This completes one piece of mane. Use the same method to crochet in cycles until finished. For the second one, start by crocheting 6 chain stitches. Then insert the hook into the next remaining front loop. Crochet a slip stitch. Place the yarn tail over the crochet hook during crocheting. For the third one, first crochet 6 chain stitches. Then make 1 slip stitch. Place the yarn tail above the crochet hook. Continue crocheting 6 chain stitches. Make 1 slip stitch. Six chain stitches. Then 1 slip stitch. Six chain stitches. Make 1 slip stitch. 6 chain stitches. Make 1 slip stitch. Six chain stitches. Make 1 slip stitch. 6 chain stitches. Make 1 slip stitch. Keep crocheting like this until you reach the flipped section. Let's explain this again. Insert the hook into these 3 empty stitches here. Still pick up the front loops to crochet. Crochet as usual. Then crochet normally here. 6 chain stitches and 1 slip stitch. Everyone can continue crocheting to complete this round on their own. Crochet to here, the last stitch of this round. Then crochet 6 chain stitches. Six chain stitches are done. Turn the fabric over. In the next round, crochet 1 slip stitch. Then crochet 6 chain stitches as usual. Next, crochet 1 slip stitch into the following stitch. Everyone, keep crocheting the main like this until you complete this round. After finishing this round, crochet 6 chain stitches. Once you've crocheted 6 chain stitches, turn the fabric over and insert the hook into the loop of the next round. Crochet 1 slip stitch. Then crochet 6 chain stitches as usual. Then 1 slip stitch. Next, crochet 6 chain stitches followed by 1 slip stitch. Repeat to complete this round. This round is completed. But there is still one more round left here, which also needs to be crocheted. Start with 6 chain stitches. Slip the fabric. Take the loop closest to the main thread. Crochet 1 slip stitch. For this entire round, crochet by picking the loops closest to the main thread. Then crochet 6 chain stitches. Then 1 slip stitch. 6 chain stitches. Then 1 slip stitch. 6 chain stitches. Make 1 slip stitch. Keep repeating like this until finished. There are still 4 chain stitches left here. Let's take a closer look at the specific crocheting method. This round of crocheting is completed. When you reach the last 4 chain stitches, crochet 6 chain stitches as usual here. Then, pick up 1 strand of the chain stitch and make a slip stitch. Crochet 6 chain stitches. Make 1 slip stitch. Then crochet 6 chain stitches. Then 1 slip stitch. Six chain stitches. Make 1 slip stitch. After finishing the crochet, break the yarn. Yarn over and pull through. Tighten. Tidy it up. The lion's headgear is now completed. And neaten it up a bit.